So let's do the exercise first before we go into the meditation. So let's breathe in and do the hand stiff. Shoulders, hands, every finger of your hand, ankle, wrist, everything has to be very, 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 very stiff. Relax. Now breathe in and do the legs. Now breathe in. Breathe in and hold the breath. And do the bandhanas. Breathe in and do the neck first. And then hold all the chakras. First, second, third. Now, let's do the face. Now we'll breathe in and do the neck. Relax the body completely.